The PE Chef. PB&J Stretch-wich. Part 2. Step 1. Open the peanut butter. Tongue twists. Step 2. Spread the peanut butter. Stretch all the way down your legs to your toes. Step 3. Open the jelly. Tongue twists. Step 4. Spread the jelly. Shoulder stretch. Switch. Step 5. Chop the bananas. Side stretch to left. Now to the right. Step 6. Add those bananas by stretching your hands behind your back. Step 7. Take your peanut butter slice and your jelly banana slice and hey presto, a PB&J Stretch-wich. Great job today. I'm going to leave you with some of my top tips for PB&J. Use whole grain bread. White bread has zero nutritional value. Pop it in the toaster too for a crunchy bite. Use sugar-free peanut butter and all fruit jelly. This sandwich does not need extra sugar. Finally, add a banana for a delicious and nutritious filling.